Hello everyone, this is Dave from Dave's Recent Things. We are hitting the halfway mark with day number 4 of my Wreathmas week series, 7 days, 7 wreaths, all featuring Christmas wreaths. And don't forget, there is that one bonus episode right at the very end of my Wreathmas week series. Why don't I just get started and I'll show you day number 4. Today I'm using the 14-inch circular wire wreath frame along with this chunky yarn in white. I'm going to be using this Santa hat as well in black and white checkered, these red Christmas bulbs, and my regular crafting utensils to create this project today. I'm first going to start out just wrapping the yarn around my hand. The ball is a little bit large to feed through, so I'm just going to create a smaller ball. I'm going to add some hot glue right on that cross wire, right in the center there, and then flip it over, add some more add some more hot glue right on that wire as well, cut off the excess, and then I just start wrapping and wrapping and wrapping. And guess what? More wrapping till my heart's content. And once I get to the crossbar again, I'm going to add some more hot glue, and then I'm just going to overlay that with the yarn as well. That way it's going to keep that section in place. And then I just move on to my next section, wrapping that yarn until my heart's content. Of course, it takes a little bit of time to do this, but trust the process. It's beautiful in the end. And once I do get to the end, I add a little bit of hot glue on the back side, place my yarn in there, make sure it's glued down, and then cut off the excess. And then we have our base wreath that's nice and soft, ready to go. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this cutting mat. It's about 9 inches in length, and I'm wrapping it around about 10 or 12 times, just kind of wrapping it around, and then I'm going to cut the excess off, and then I'm going to take a small pipe cleaner, this is in white, twist it around one of the ends, making sure it's nice and secure, and then on the other end, I'm just going to grab my scissors and chop that off. So we're creating a little tassel here, and you'll see what I'm doing with this in a bit. So again, wrapping it around, using that pipe cleaner on one end, just twisting it in place, then cutting the ends, creating a little tassel. And I created 6 of those little tassels. We're going to bring back our wreath frame, and I'm going to start attaching those tassels right at the bottom. So I'm going to attach 3 at the bottom of the wreath frame. So 1 in the middle, 2 on the sides, and then I'm going to attach 2 on top of the 3. So kind of like a pyramid effect, if you will. So once that's all glued in place, I'm just going to take this little red Christmas bulb and I'm gluing that right into those little beard that we just created. And for my final tassel, I'm just going to add it right to the back to kind of engulf that nose. So it's going to be a little big red nose there. Then it's time to attach my hat. I'm just going to figure out the placement that I want on it. Once I get my placement, I'm going to add some hot glue right down, and I'm going to press that in place right at the front just to make sure it's nice and secured. And then I'm going to flip that wreath over, do the back side the same way, making sure that that hat isn't going to go anywhere. Once that's done, I flip it over, and then I decide I'm going to glue down the hat tassel right at the side. I liked the placement of it, so I decided I'm going to do that. And here is our final Santa with that big white beard wreath, that red and black checkered Santa hat that I just love so much. That little red nose, and here it is hanging on my studio door in all of its glory. Mr. Santa Claus saying, "Ho, ho, ho, Merry Christmas." Our beautiful Santa wreath. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget, Wreathmas Week link right down below. Hit that playlist to see all the other videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new project. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye for now.